Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to animate in Roblox Studio. First, decide what animations you want and for which avatars. For example, with Rig Builder, I can make avatars for 5 rig types. These include old rigs, new ones, and so on. This is an old rig from 2012. Now it's usually R6 or R5. Here's a rig type. I'll use the R6 block avatar. It's the most basic and easiest rig to work with. Next, we'll copy the animation script. You don't have to copy it, but it's useful for other games. Here's the animation script. Now select your rig and open the animation editor. This is where we create animations. Let's make a hand waving animation. We'll move the slider for this. 0 is the rig's default neutral position. Then I move it to 0, 7 and raise my hand. Now I move to 13 and raise it even higher. Now I'm waving my hand at 0, 2. Oh, this might not work here. It's P5 rig. But still. The animation might be off. It's P6 rig. So you're creating an animation, right? The key is to finish it. At P37, he turns it back. It'll be rough, but that's okay. So there. Now we can save this animation. Click these 3 buttons to do it. You can do this with any body part. If you need more, adjust this column. Next, save it. Click 3 buttons, pick animation priority. It'll take precedence over the others. So the idle animation, doing nothing, has an advantage. It's the most basic animation. Next comes the custom animation. Yeah. This includes movements, actions, and so on. You'll need to choose what kind of animation it is. For example, a hand-waving animation would be an action animation. Select, then choose Import, specifically the Roblox Publish. Click Save. You'll see the ID of your creation, your animation. Move it to Roblox Studio players if needed. Where's the rig? Yeah, the rig is in the animation scripts. For emotions, there's player mode with emotion animations. There. You can even create these from scratch. That's all. I've been with you. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good life, everyone. Good luck to all. Goodbye, everyone.